Won't you take me home? Give me with your flight. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind.
Alright, guys, here's the customer lift at Val, I think. And nice buttons. One. Let's get a cab view. I like the ceiling. That's a good chime. 0. And that is it for this lift. Now to the staff lift at Vel. It's a TKE. 1. Get a cab view. Now to the lift at Lifty Quick with some fixtures. It's an Eastern lift. 1. View. Kilograms in Poston. 2009 it was installed. G. And that is it for this lift. Now to the lifts at the Marks and Spencers. I think they do host.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Go down to B.
Doors closing.
2004 ThyssenKrupp. 10 persons, 850 kilograms.
Basement.
Nice cabs, nice ceilings. 3.
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Third floor. Doors opening. Lift going down.
Down to G.
Doors closing. Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
And
Lift
that's
going
it
down.
for this lift. lift at the River Island. I don't know what round this is. We'll see when we get inside. It's a sword elevator. 1. Installed 2017, 10 persons, 850 kilograms. Nice cab. Beautiful ceilings. G. Now we're back at the ground floor. And that's it for this lift. Now here's the lift at the TK Maxx.
Doors opening. Going
I
up.
wish they had this lift in America too.
Doors closing.
800 kilograms per person, installed 2009. Let's get a cab.
Second floor.
Nice.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And that's
Going
it for
up.
this lift. Now here's the lift at H&M. It's a Kone.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
15 persons, 1,150 kilograms. Cab.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
And that's it for this lift. Here's the lift at Selfridges & Co. These are Kone again. We'll get the right one.
Ground floor.
These must be Eco Disc.
Doors opening. Going down.
LG. It's an Eco Disc.
Doors closing.
10 persons, 1,200 kilograms. Cab. View.
Lower ground floor.
Lower ground floor. 2.
Doors opening. Doors
Let's watch
closing.
the view.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
And that's it for
Going
this
down.
lift. Here's the lift at Zara with it's an Arona. 2.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. So you can close
Lift
it.
going up.
Cab. Ground.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Lift going down.
Oh my god, this lift is scrubby. Spooky lift. This needs to get modernized. And that's it for this lift. Here's the lift at Air Hop.
Doors opening.
1.
Doors are closing.
Cab view, nice.
This lift is moving up.
It's an MP lift.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
We'll go down to 0.
Doors are closing. This lift is moving down. Floor 0.
Floor
Doors
0.
opening.
And that's it for this lift. Here's lifts at Primark. We're stuck at 3 because for some reason doors won't open.
Doors opening.
There we go.
Going down.
2.
Doors closing.
12,900 kilograms. 2019 it was installed.
Doors opening.
3.
Going up. Doors closing. Doors opening.
And that's it for this plan.
Going down.
Here's the lift at Scrub. It's the same.
Doors opening.
3. There we go.
Doors closing. Lift going
Cab
up.
view. Nice ceilings. Install 2023. 2. We're gonna take this back down to 2.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Here we're back in.
Doors opening.
And that's it. Here's the lift at Scribble.
Doors opening.
It's another SLS. 3.
Doors closing.
Hang on, why is 3 not working?
Lift going up.
There we go. Just get a cab view. Beautiful ceilings. 2.
Doors opening.
Come on, why is 2 not working?
Doors
There
closing.
we go.
Lift going down.
Here we are back at 2.
Doors opening.
And that's it for this lift. Here's lift between events, cycles, and games. Starting at the 2nd floor. Here we go. See what type of elevator this is.
Doors opening. Going down.
LG.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. 15 persons in other kilograms. Let's get a cab view. Nice. 3.
Lower ground floor.
Does 3 even work?
Doors opening.
Let's go to 3.
Going up.
3 works. Phew.
Doors closing. Ground floor.
Oops. We're supposed to go. We'll go back up to 2. Since we started.
Doors opening.
Let's
Going down.
check the floor real quick. This is the sports direct. There's no access to.
Doors closing.
Second floor.
Doors opening. Going up.
Alright, second, and that's it. Here's lift to the supermarket. Where candles. Nice. Cool, the Spanish bloke. Thanks for installing this. Here we are back at. We're going to ground. We're going back to -1. We are at -1. Here we're at 0. We're gonna go back down 6. This is the left floor. We are back at -1, and that's it. Now here's the lift at the E-Tech. Think it's a diamond. Yep, diamond lift, floor 2. 16 persons, 1,200 kilograms. Cab, view, nice ceilings. This is an Arabic elevator. G. And that's it for this lift. Now here's the lift at next. Here's the guard. Just in case you stateside escalators, this lift was installed 2007. Just in case you put the wrong date.
Lift going
Lift
up.
going up. We're going to the second floor.
Mind the doors, please.
Nice announcements. Let's get a cab view. Directly of the store right here.
Second floor. Lift going down.
G.
Mind the doors, please.
Mind the doors.
Ground floor. Lift going up. Mind the.
And that's it for this lift. Here's a lift at Philip to Electronics. It's another Otis. And that's it for this lift. Let's look at the field data tech X. Open. Nice. -1. 7,000 to 7,500. That's all 2023. View. Well, where are we going? It's going fast. Look at the view. It is an high-speed lift. 0. Exhibition lift to the mall. There's the lift showcase. Going back up. Nice ceiling. Whee! 70 meters. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. 20 I meant. 10 meters. And go back around. And that's it for this lift. Here's lift at the multiplex cinema. Let's open the doors. I'm gonna close it. We're going up to 5. It's a nice lift. On the 5th floor. Why are you here? This area is for staff only. This area is for staff. Go back down to 4 because I cannot leave because trouble by the creator of this game. So we're going back down to 4. And that's it for this lift.